What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have a lid hinge. They don't sell this at Home Depot. They don't sell this at Lowe's. They don't even sell this at Walmart. They don't sell this anywhere but Amazon and eBay. This is a lid hinge, and I didn't even know it was going to be this big. It's held on by a bolt, screw in the bolt, a nut. Right here we have a pin with a ball on it. So if you need to get it off, it comes off and it goes back on. The pin goes down if you need to do anything. It's ready to start raining, so I'm gonna do this real quick. This part right here is round. They rounded this off. This part is flat, so you could kind of figure out what goes to where. So you put your round part on right there on the side, and there goes your lid part. Simple and easy, just like that. All right, and we have screws and nuts. So they gave us screws and nuts to put on there. Pretty awesome. I'm going to spray paint this silver, the heat resistant silver. So what my drum was last time, it was gray. I want to paint all the accessories gray. So basically they do wholesale too. So I'm gonna check them out and see what else they got for me to update this drum. This is very well constructed, and we are going to put it to the test. Right now it's raining. Present our screws. Alright, and I don't know where my other one fell to. I actually lost a screw. I'm a little upset with myself with that, but it is what it is. So I will have to manually put that on, and I'll get back with y'all when I'm done. Okay, you guys, so here is the hinge. Right now, I'm just gonna show y'all the lid hinge, and that's it. It's pretty cool. Now I don't have to take the lid off and place the lid somewhere else. I can go here and it stays up by itself. It's a little pin right there to keep it up and down. Put the lid back on. I am not going to be doing, like, you know, grill products all the time. So if you subscribe to me just because I reviewed this, I apologize. I review pretty much whatever comes in my house. I review it as long as it's dealing with the home or around the home. All right, you guys, just wanted to let you know before my battery died, I found it. So like, comment, and subscribe. We are fully complete.